Created one complex agent so that you have a better understanding that how the multiple agents work and how the data or the file content will going to transfer between both of uh, the agents or multiple agents. So uh, this is the one agent which uses second agent, and its uh, main purpose, we want to just extract the invoice. So we have added the additional instruction that use this invoice only to produce the output, right? and and in the invoice extraction 2, we provided second file name that only use this file output to produce the output file, right? And other than that, then we have the LLM call to check whether we have the $20 amount in any of these. So these are the variables from invoice extraction 1, and this is a variable from the invoice extraction 2. So you don't have to do anything. It's just about search for the content and choose whichever like we wanted to choose for the invoice extraction 2. So just choose it and let's save it, right? And then we have the if condition. For example, like I have added the information that do we have $20 amount in any of these invoices. So return only true or false in the output strictly. So it will just provide the output in that particular sense. So now we got the JSON, we're going to parse it, the LLM content variable, and check whether it is equal to true or not, right? If it's true, then it will follow this path. If false, it will directly go to this path, right? And in this combine both invoices, we have another agent which is called, this is the first agent, and in that I have added the additional instruction that use this file information to produce the output. And basically these are the output from both of these invoices, right? So that's it. So let me just take you through the agents which I have created to extract the information. So this is the second agent, which is basically is being used to get the txt file for the invoices which we have mentioned. And I have specifically mentioned that use the file which was mentioned in instructions only, basically additional instructions only, and don't ingest the file which are not ready. Somehow it is not working from your agent side, but ideally it should work, right? So uh, but nonetheless, let's move forward and see which is there in the, this is the test agent. And here I mentioned this is the agent by the way, which is being used for the uh, combining both of the invoices. Create one output CSV which accumulates uh, from the data provided in additional instructions or input files. So you can add as instruction as you want, and then just try to run the workflow. Let's run it by providing the input files which I mentioned. These are the two invoices for which I have provided the name in invoice extraction 1 and invoice extraction 2. So let's go and let's start the workflow. So now the output has come. So you will notice whatever the file I have mentioned, like 0016, for this invoice extractor, it has extracted that file only and given the information for us. Now it has $20 amount in it, so if condition should also work. So invoice extraction 2, use 34 file 3415. So it use only this invoice and has that information only. And let's see, LLM produces the output true because it finds the $20 amount. Let's check in the if it is true. so it moved to the next and produces the output, right? So now I got a mail, most probably for this, yeah, but got the mail, and here is the answer or from the combine agent file.